Top places to visit in Singapore. Singapore is a place dissimilar to any place else on the planet. It's a city brimming with fun, energy, energizing attractions, brilliant sanctuaries, wonderful seashores, dazzling high rises, and furthermore, offers an assortment of culinary encounters. It is one of the best and cleanest cities I've ever been to, prominently known as the Lion City. Singapore has gotten one of the most visited Asian urban communities. The very much arranged MRT rail framework in Singapore makes it more available for local people just as the sightseers visiting the city. Here's is a definitive rundown of the best places in Singapore that you should make a point to remember for your next visit. First is Gardens by the Bay. This beautifully designed green place is the best place to visit. It can also be viewed from Marina Bay Sands observation deck. If you want to escape the city bustle for some moments or want to click some amazing pictures against a stunning backdrop of natural attraction, then this is the place you must visit. While it looks amazing in daylight, but it is just turns magical at night when everything light up in colorful lights. And the next is Marina Bay Sands. If you wish to lounge in endless luxury, then you must visit Marina Bay Sands. This place has the most luxurious and iconic hotels and restaurants in the Singapore. This place includes an amazing mall, the Art Science Museum, Marina Bay Sands Sky Park observation deck, and yes, the largest infinity pool in the world. This place offers you a tempting view of Singapore's skyline. This place will pamper you with countless luxuries, facilities like world-class meals, a spa shopping avenues, and much more. You can just laze in lavish rooms and immerse yourself in an unparalleled view of the city all day long. And the next is Singapore Flyer. If the observation deck of Marina Bay Sands doesn't satisfy your wish of one-stop sightseeing in Singapore, then you must try Singapore Flyer. It's the world's largest giant observation wheel. Not just Singapore's skyline, you can also enjoy the view as far as the spice lands of Indonesia and Malaysia's Straits of Johor. The next place is Orchard Road. Singapore is a top-class city for its styles and designer wears. The place is best for shopping spree. This area offers you high-end stores at every turn. There are around 22 malls, 6 department stores, 4 movie theaters, and much more. You can buy everything here from branded clothes to designer bags, class jewelries, and even fancy accessories. Next place to visit is Botanic Gardens. Botanic Garden a worth visit. This garden preserves pieces of Singapore's wilder heritage. A walking trail leads to the garden's heritage trees, which are conserved as a part of the city's tree spices. Every nature and wildlife lover will find themselves hooked to the many natural attractions of these beautiful gardens. Next place is Sea Aquarium. If you are a marine lover and wonder of the sea and love to witness marine life in their natural habitat, then this place is just for you. This is one of the largest aquariums in the world and also the home to around 1,000 marine species, including hammerhead sharks, bottlenose dolphins, and stingrays. Here you can explore marine creatures from all the world's major oceans. Next place is Singapore Zoo, world's best rainforest zoo. The Singapore Zoo is an amazing place to visit. Here you will find zebras, mole rats, white tigers, and many other creatures. Here you can also enjoy night safari, river safari, and these will surely make your trip far better than you expected. And the next place is Sentosa Island. Singapore is not very popular as a beach destination, but if you really wish to have some fun in the sun, then Sentosa Island is just a place to visit. You can visit Siloso Beach to enjoy some beach time. You can also go to the Underwater World Aquarium, where you can swim with dolphins. Singapore's famous statue, Merlion, that has the head of a lion and the body of a fish, is also found on this island. You can visit the top of the statue and enjoy an extensive view of the surrounding areas. Next place is Little India. Everyone knows Singapore is a very popular for its sky-high buildings, modern vibes, luxury hotels and advanced architecture and natural attractions. Hardly does anyone knows about its beautiful culture site replete with colors. And guess what? You'll find a little bit of India tucked in those charming lanes of Singapore. You'll find people selling Indian goods, street side stalls serving Indian food, Hindu temples, and many other things that speak of India. And the last place is Wings of Time. A day full of fun in Sentosa Island is just not complete without a spectacular night show. Wings of Time is a night show of mystery and magic that will keep you on the edge of your seat as it takes you on a magical adventure through several exotic vistas through to the fabric of time. It delivers an unmissable narration of a folktale using the mediums of art and technology such as laser lights, fountains, music, as well as 3D projection mapping. This show is just so intriguing that everyone finds themselves hooked to it.